My name is Cathy Sharon and this is my home. We've lived here for around 8 years now, and recently we just started redecorating with some new pieces from Bramble furniture. Okay, I've made some tea. Come, let's have a chat over there. So I wanted a new style and also environment for my family to enjoy, but also suit my current lifestyle needs as a mother and also as an entrepreneur. I can say it's very strongly influenced by American classic style interiors. I think it does suit the overall personality of my family's spaces, with statement pieces, but also elegant decorations that are functional. The color nuances are whites, off-whites, and some blues as well. I actually like the combination. I find it very calming and very soothing. I can say it's almost completely neutral, so I don't necessarily have to continuously change the look seasonally. So this way, I just need to decorate and put ornaments when the time comes, for instance for Christmas or Halloween. Super easy. The longevity and ease to care for was definitely on top of the priority list during the choosing of these furniture pieces. I have children, so with them comes their messes. When it comes to cleaning, I definitely wanted pieces that would stand the test of time and also clutter. For style and model, that's also another factor. I love these classic looks, but I didn't want anything too heavy in frills or carvings that were too ornate. As any family, we spend a lot of our time at the dining table, especially when it's the center of our home. It's really where we do everything. We eat, we do our homework there sometimes, and we definitely have a lot of our family chats there, and they're very lively. So this is my favorite spot in the house, especially when my children are asleep at night. I usually look out the window and I really enjoy and appreciate the view of the city. It really allows me to be very grateful for the blessings that I have. The children and I have actually been just adoring our home even more, especially the past few months during quarantine. We've just been spending so much time at home, and it really helps that every piece was specifically made for our needs and also personalities. My other favorite spot would definitely be this living room right here. We have a large media cabinet here, as you can see, and this beautiful coffee table somehow make this room feel more spacious. The kids and I, we love watching movies. It's what we do every Saturday night. It's our movie night, and our favorite movies include the Harry Potter series. Carla even has, the wand from our trip when we went there to the theme park in Japan. These club chairs are also covered with Bramble linen and artwork, and I think it gives pretty details to accent the overall interior look that I aimed for. Carla's room and mine are completely different. In tones, you can see that I wanted a very neutral space to rest and wind down, while Carla, on the other hand, she gets her very girly girl, very pink and princessy bedroom with all the floral artworks and also bright finishes. So when we were actually deciding on her room, Carla wanted to follow what mommy likes, so that was a good thing. And while I love definitely, all the white nuances, at the same time, I thought, it'll look too pale if everything's white in a kid's room. Thankfully, with Bramble furniture, I could customize pieces to suit Carla's room through and through with artwork designs, and we were able to combine white and pink and artwork, which can also be applied to Bramble's linen and headboard and also stools. Since I have an open floor plan between the living room and also the dining room, I love the idea of putting this sideboard behind the sofas, I find that somehow it creates an invisible boundary between the two different areas. I think it fits perfectly with the space and also functionality of the room as the heart of the home where we always gather with friends and family. Okay, thank you so much for stopping by, guys. I wish you all a great day ahead. Bye!
Bye! Love you, bye!